In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can start high-ticket affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner. So the difference between regular affiliate marketing and high-ticket is that with high-ticket you can make $500 or more in commission because you're promoting high-ticket products. For example, the best thing about to promote high-ticket products is that these are private networks. For example, I have been promoting the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. This is some of my results. I have $109 in paid earnings. I have sent to this company 106 referrals and I have 15 customers. They pay 35% commission in every sale that I make. So basically, these are my affiliate links, and I have many. I have a Freedom Accelerator checkout page, the 72-hour challenge checkout page, the opt-in page for the 72-hour challenge, and a free course opt-in. And the link that I use to promote the 72-hour challenge is this one, the opt-in page. Now, if someone put their information in this page, it's going to be hard coded to me, and I'm going to have here another referral. And if that person buys the low ticket or the upsells or the high ticket product, I can make commissions. That is why to promote this kind of program or training is so powerful, because you can make money in all of the steps. Now, one of the things that I want to show you is that this is the training, the 72-hour challenge, and basically, if I click here on the high ticket product and click on the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because I want to show you the system that I built to promote products or affiliate offers. So you can see this is the whole system, and you can build this system with system.io, that is a software to build funnels, or you can use ClickFunnels. So you can see the screen, these are my funnels, and then use GetResponse for the email marketing and the email sequence. Because basically what we're doing here is that we're collecting an email using a simple page, simple website. It's only one page, and the people who put their information in that page, we're collecting that information and then sending emails to promote our different affiliate offers. That is why building an email list is important, because if you only drive traffic to your affiliate links, it's going to be hard to promote more products, because maybe they're going to buy like one or two things. But if you want to promote like many different products, software, and more affiliate offers, it's going to be difficult if you don't have that information. Now, let me show you. So basically, this is the opt-in page, and then we collect the email and we start sending all these emails in which we promote YouTube videos, affiliate offers. We can promote also Facebook group, more offers, more YouTube videos to grow our YouTube channel, more affiliate offers, and so on. So instead of building our own ecosystem of products, and I'm going to show you one of mine, for example, this one, Freedom Accelerator. I have 106 people going through these emails. And so when people subscribe to this list, Freedom Accelerator, this software, the name is GetResponse, is going to send these two emails. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the email number 2. And these are free affiliate marketing trainings. Then it's going to wait for another day, and it's going to send another email. Then in this email, I'm promoting a YouTube video. Get response is going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send another video. And here I started to promote the 70-hour challenge. Here I promote the Secret of Success, which is another training for mindset. And what I can do here is that I can add more emails to build this system by myself, adding more new offers, affiliate offers, to promote software, and also just write valuable emails to give information to my subscribers or to my email list. Now I'm going to show you a new software that is going to be launched in this month. The name is Funnel Freedom, and basically with this software we're going to be able to have this affiliate stacking ecosystem with one click. Okay, so let me show you. So in this software we can have, so this is like get responders and click funnels combined. We can have here our contacts, our emails, our payments, conversation, and many more things. But the tabs that I want to show you are this one. So inside, this is the course Freedom Ascension that we're going to give as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, because it's really difficult to collect an email from someone if you are not giving anything. So let me show you. I'm going to open this opt-in page. How anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home. I have here my picture because I want people to know that I'm promoting this training. I also have Jonathan Montoya's photo, who he is the creator of this training and also the software. And when people click here, take the free course and put their name and email address, this software is going to collect that information. Then it's going to redirect people to the bridge page. And here they are going to access this page. They will watch this video if they want. And here I tell people that please check their email, their inbox, because I'm going to send to them the free course. But more importantly, I have collected the email. And the next step is that people are going to receive an email with all these modules from the free course. And this course has 7 parts. The best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job, and it has all the information to start an affiliate business from the scratch. And when people click here in all these parts, you can see, for example, here they can join the community, and this course has these buttons. For example, if people click here, check out the new 72-hour freedom challenge, they will be clicking my affiliate link. And if I go to part 4, you're going to see that we have here more buttons for the 72-hour challenge. And when people start clicking all these buttons for Bisla, or if they want to get Udemy or Legendary Marketer, or if they want to watch this seminar, the 5-second silent method, or let's say they want to access Secrets of Success or Repurpose.io, they will be clicking my affiliate links. And that is how we can promote high ticket products because we're promoting the 72-hour challenge. Also, Legendary Marketer is another high ticket product. Wealth Warriors is another high ticket product. And also, we're promoting software like Funnel Freedom, System Data.io, Get Response. So you can see we're promoting with this course multiple affiliate products offers high ticket products. That is why this system is powerful because we don't have to build like a lead magnet or the whole affiliate stacking ecosystem because this software is going to send the emails. So if I click on marketing and then emails, let me check templates. I want to show you the emails that Jonathan put here, for example, so you can see. So these are all the email templates that the software is going to send to all the people who put their information in that opt-in page. They are going to start receiving valuable emails supporting offers like Legendary Marketer. So this is to promote the Legendary Marketer. Here I'm going to promote Freedom Accelerator. Inside of the emails, they will find my affiliate links. For example, here this email is to promote Get Response. This one for with Warriors. This is to promote a YouTube video. This one for Udemy, and so on. And the only thing that I needed to do is to click here on Funnel Freedom. I have another video because if you are starting out with this software, you need to set up well this page, which is only like copy and paste a value in settings. And if I click here affiliate link settings, you can see these are my affiliate links, and I just need to copy it and paste it all these links. And when I start to collect contacts, the software is going to start sending all these emails automatically. So instead of building our own affiliate stacking ecosystem using GetResponse, ClickFunnels, or System.io, we can use FunnelFreedom.io, which has this feature to promote multiple products, high-ticket products, and software. Now, if you want to get access to this software right now, there are like 1,000 people on the wait list. You can click the first link in the description so you can have access to the wait list. And when Jonathan launches this software, you are going to have access. Right now, we are testing it to see how it works, and I'm creating content to show you how this system is working for me right now. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.